Hello everyone, this is Marshall Yin from the English Language Center, and today I will show you how to make Google Sites. The first thing is, for your browser, make sure it's Google Chrome because that works best in making a Google site. Also make sure that you have a Gmail account. So now I'm going to open another tab and enter my Gmail account, gmail.com. Okay, as you can see, I'm now into my Gmail account, and if you go to the upper right hand corner, there is this apps button. When you click on that, it will show you all the different applications that are available in your Google account. I'm going to click Drive. Now I'm in the Google Drive. And I'm going to click New. And then I'm going to click More. And when you see More, you will notice an option called Google Sites. So I'll click into this option, and that will open up the Google Sites. So it looks like this. I'm going to click on the title page and put in my science topic. Now that's the title that your audience will see. I'm also going to type in carbon dating here in the upper left-hand corner, and that will form the basis of the website URL. Now, when you look at this, you might not be very impressed. You might want to change the look of it. So the next thing I do is I go to Themes in the upper right-hand corner. And here, this will allow you to change the look of your title. So there's many options. So I'll click Aristotle. That gives me an Aristotle look. Or possibly Diplomat, Vision, Level, Impression, and so on. So I will pick Aristotle just to get started. And then I will go back from Themes back to the option of Insert. So now that I'm here, I still want my page to look a little bit more exciting. So I'm going to go to this option called Change Image. So I click that on, and it allows me to either upload an image from my computer or select an image from Google search engine. So I'm going to do that one. And I'm going to click Search. And it gives me two options, Google or Life. Let's just stick with Google. And I want to have an image for carbon dating of a dinosaur. Okay, so it shows you some different images. I like this one. And then I select. And then you notice that it's now in my heading. The next is to maybe add some text to this. So I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to click Text Box. Okay, so I write some text. gives me some options on how it looks, but I'm okay with this for now. And you can write as much as is allowed for the assignment. After that, I would like to add some more things to our website to make it more interactive and to make it have more interesting content. So I'm also going to go back to Insert. And you notice there's some other options on the side, and I'm going to insert a YouTube video. So I click YouTube, and now it's given me the YouTube option, and now I'm going to search for related topics to carbon dating. So I select this first one, and I click select, and then it nicely puts a window so that your reader can see what it looks like, and when you finish your website, they can click on it and it goes directly to that YouTube video. Another thing I'd like to insert is an image. So we're going to add some more images. So I click image. And this is by URL, but I think it's a lot easier if I just do a search. And here are some images related to carbon dating. Okay, and then an image is added there. As you're writing your article on your science topic, you should also insert some web links. So for example, I'm in my text, I'm going to highlight carbon dating, and then I want to insert a link that takes the audience to another page related to carbon dating. So I've highlighted it, and then up here is a insert link option, and then it allows me to add a website about carbon dating. So what I'm going to do is open another tab, do a little bit of searching. Here's a website that I might consider using. I highlight the URL, I copy it, and then I go back to my Google site, paste the link, and apply it. So those are some basic steps about getting started. To summarize, the title page, text, YouTube, images, URL links. So you can add as much as you need as long as it meets the requirement and doesn't go over the limit. And the last step is to publish. But before we publish, a nice feature here is this preview, which looks like an eye. So I click that on, and it gives you here the laptop version. This is what it looks like on maybe a tablet or an iPad. And this is what it looks like on a cell phone. So I exit that, and then I click publish. When you click publish, it will generate a web address, also known as a URL. It will give you some sharing settings. Who can view my site? Anyone. That's usually reasonable. You want anyone to view the site. You can click manage and it'll show you the different options. But for the most part, it's okay to let people view the site. That's quite normal. This is another option that is very useful. If I click on it, it says request public search engines not to display my site. So this gives you one level of privacy. If you don't want the search engines to show your site, then you click that. So then when they do a Google search, for example, on carbon dating, it won't show my site. Only people with the URL, this specific URL, can view my site. So if you're okay with that, you can click this setting, and then the last thing is publish. Now be aware, when you click the publish button, it will be live, it will be on the World Wide Web, and anyone with the URL, the web address, will be able to see it. So that is a quick summary of how to get started on making a Google site. I hope you found this video helpful. Again, my name is Marshall Yin from the English Language Center. Best wishes to you and your new site. Thank you very much.